Hey guys, welcome again to another Capturing America's Beauty. Today I want to show you a video that I shot about 4 years ago in the mountain bike capital of the world. That's Moab, Utah. Now in this video, you're going to see some incredible shots and incredible riding through the brand trails. You're also going to see some shots up at Dead Horse Point State Park. Beautiful single track riding, which you can also ride e-bikes on, just winding its way along the cliffside with beautiful canyon country down below. I hope you enjoy this, and we'll see you on the next one. Well guys, thanks for joining again on another Capturing America's Beauty. And I hope you enjoyed that. And remember always to live your dreams and don't dream your life. We hope to see you out on an escape adventure.